Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 58. Introductions. Let's learn English.
Today, we will learn more about introductions.
Such as, introducing someone to someone else.
When you have just been introduced to someone.
And after you have been introduced to someone.
Let's learn some things to say when introducing someone to someone else.
I'd like you to meet my father.
This is my friend, John.
Ross, this is Michelle. Michelle, Ross. Do you two know each other?
Macy, have you met Rick? Let's learn some things to say when you have just been introduced by someone. It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Good to meet you.
It's nice meeting you.
Happy to see you here.
Glad to meet you.
Let's learn some things to say when after you have been introduced to someone. I've been wanting to meet you for some time.
Good to meet you. Brian has told me so much about you.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. What's your name again?
We finally meet face to face. Glad to meet you. I've heard so much about you.
Let us watch again each scenes when each introductions are combined.
I'd like you to meet my father.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
I've been wanting to meet you for some time.
This is my friend, John.
Good to meet you. Brian has told me so much about you.
Ross, this is Michelle. Michelle, Ross.
It's nice meeting you.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. What's your name again?
Do you two know each other?
Happy to see you here.
We finally meet face to face.
Macy, have you met Rick?
Glad to meet you. I've heard so much about you.
Let's practice your English.
Practice number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the empty bubbles to complete each dialogue.
I'd like you to meet my nephew Roy. I'd like you to meet my nephew Roy.
It's nice meeting you.
We've heard so much about you.
This is my sister Donna. This is my sister Donna.
I'm happy to meet you.
Will has told me so much about you. Josh, this is Iman. Iman, Josh. Josh, this is Iman. Iman, Josh.
Glad to meet you.
I'm sorry, what's your name again?
I'd like you to meet my husband Jason. I'd like you to meet my husband Jason.
Pleased to meet you.
I've heard so much about you.
Do you two know each other? Do you two know each other?
Good to see you here.
Finally, we meet face to face.
I'd like you to meet Miss Rena. I'd like you to meet Miss Rena.
Pleasure to meet you, madam.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Hi, I'm your new mentor. Hi, I'm your new mentor.
Good to see you, sir.
We're glad to meet you here.
This is Eric, our new member. This is Eric, our new member.
It's nice to see you.
Can't wait to train with you.
I'd like you to meet my family. I'd like you to meet my family.
It's nice meeting you all.
We've heard so much about you.
This is your new classmate Laura. This is your new classmate Laura.
It's nice meeting you.
Welcome to our class.
These are my friends, John and B. These are my friends, John and B.
We're glad to see you.
I'm glad you made it here.
This is Chloe, our new secretary. This is Chloe, our new secretary.
Finally, we have met.
Glad to meet you, sir.
I'd like you to meet our neighbor, Bruce. I'd like you to meet our neighbor, Bruce.
Good to see you.
I've been wanting to see you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.